Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. So, today we discuss about ninth class, chapter 7, triangles, exercise 7.3, second question. So, before go to video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Give a like and comment for these videos. Okay, so here what the second question? AD is an altitude. Altitude means what? A line is joining from vertex to opposite line segment. Meet at the point. The angle is how much? 90 degrees. So AD is an altitude of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what? Any two sides are equal or any two angles are equal. So ABC, in which AB is equal to AC, show that AD bisect BC, AD bisect angle A. Okay, so here, ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏడి ఈజ్ అన్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ ఆల్టిట్యూడ్ అంటే హైట్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ యాన్ ఐసోస్లెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఐసోస్లెస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అంటే ఇన్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఎనీ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ ఓకే ఆర్ ఎనీ టూ angles are equal. Okay, the triangle is called isosceles triangle. So here A B C is an isosceles triangle. So here AB is equal AC. Given that AD is an altitude. Altitude means what? A line is joining from vertex to opposite line segment. Meet at the point. The angle is how much? 90 degrees. Okay, that line is called altitude. Okay, so here AD is altitude of the triangle ABC. Okay, so here they are asking that AD bisect BC. So when you draw the altitude, then how many triangles are formed? Two triangles. What are they? ABD and AC. In these two triangles, AB is equal to AC. Next, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Next, AD is a common. So therefore, by using right angle hypotenuse side, right angle hypotenuse side. So by using RHS congruent rule, these two triangles are congruent. When they are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. So therefore, ABD and ACD are congruent. Then their corresponding sides are equal. Means what? BD is equal DC. Next, angle BAD is equal angle BCAD. So these two angles are equal and these two sides are equal. So bisect means what? Dividing into two equal parts. So here given triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC and AD is an altitude to BC. AD is altitude to BC. So here in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, in these two triangles, so AB is equal to AC. Why? Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Next, angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Why? AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Next, AD is equal to AD. It is a common side. It is a common side. So therefore, by using side angle side or by using right angle hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse means what? A side which is opposite to 90 degrees. Here what? Here it is a 90 degrees. For this 90 degrees, what is the opposite side? AB. So this side AB is called what? Hypotenuse. So a side which is opposite to 90 degrees, the side is called hypotenuse. So by using RHS congruency rule, RHS congruency rule. Triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. When they are congruent, then their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. So, corresponding sides and angles are equal. So here what are the corresponding sides in these two triangles? BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. What are the corresponding angles? Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. So that means the angle A is divided into two equal parts. Next the BC is divided into two equal parts. So that means dividing two equal parts is nothing but what? Bisect. So that is here AD is bisect BC and also AD is bisect angle A. So therefore hence proved. So what is the question? AD bisect BC, AD bisect angle A. So how we can prove? By using RHS congruency rule. Thank you for watching my videos.